Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at this 66-watt compact and travel-friendly GaN charger from Unitek. In the box you get a small paper instruction manual. There is the 3-port charger itself, and there are 2 additional clip-on power socket types, so you can use this wall charger on Europe and UK regions of plug sockets too. The plug itself uses the latest Gallium Nitride technology to help reduce its dimensions down to a very travel-friendly size of 5 centimeters wide by 5 centimeters tall by 2.5 centimeters deep. On one side of the charger you have a folding pin type designed for US plug sockets, and bundled along with the charger you get a clip-on plug type adapters for UK and European plug sockets. Thanks to GaN technology, its compact size doesn't limit this charger's full output either. At 66 watts of high-speed charging, you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously from this charger's 2 USB-C ports and its 1 USB-A port. From any of the 2 USB-C ports, this charger will output up to 65 watts, whilst charging from the single USB-A port alone will output at 36 watts from this charger. If all ports are used, you'll get 30 watts of charging from the first USB-C port and 18 watts from both the second USB-C port and the USB-A port. Simultaneous use of just both of the 2 USB-C ports will give each port 30 watts. This 66-watt charger from Unitek is compatible with Apple MacBooks, iPhones and iPads, and any other mobiles, tablets and laptops that you're able to charge from a single USB-C or USB-A port. More powerful demanding laptops may not get the full output they deserve, but at 65 watts from one of the USB-C ports, it will certainly support many at full speed. For safety, there is a built-in intelligent protection system that supports overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit and overheating to help look after and protect any device that's connected to the charger. The Unitek 66-watt travel-friendly wall charger retails for $35.99 from Amazon US, $36.99 from Amazon UK, and €42.99 from Amazon DE. And you can check out my links in the description below to learn more about it and to buy yourself one. There's a lot to like about this charger from Unitek. It looks good with its sleek black casing. It has enough ports to suit the most seasoned tech traveler, whilst offering great output speeds that will cater for charging most USB powered laptops, mobiles and tablets at a good charging speed. The single illuminated light above the USB ports help to easily find the charger and its ports at night or in the dark, and I like that the USB charging pins fold flat for easy storage, and the alternative wall type pins clip in securely and can be stowed away if you plan on making any intercontinental trips with this charger. With 3 powerful charging USB ports, you can easily reduce the amount of chargers that you travel with and just simply pack one of these chargers from Unitek. Alright, thanks for watching and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please hit that like button down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this 66-watt wall charger from Unitek. You can check out all my other tech reviews up in the top left playlist window. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.